Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into the world of action cameras with the GoPro HERO12 Black. This little powerhouse has been making waves, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, let's kick things off with the design. The HERO12 Black retains that iconic rugged build we've come to expect from GoPro. It's compact, lightweight, and built to withstand whatever adventure you throw its way. Plus, with its waterproof capabilities up to 33 feet, you can capture stunning footage both above and below the surface. Now, let's talk about performance. The HERO12 Black boasts some impressive specs, including 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second. That's a significant bump in resolution from its predecessor, giving you crystal clear footage with incredible detail. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action shots or breathtaking landscapes, the HERO12 Black delivers stunning visuals every time. And with HDR technology, your videos and photos will pop with true-to-life colors and enhanced dynamic range. But what about stabilization? Well, GoPro has you covered with their Emmy Award-winning Hyper Smooth 6.0 stabilization. This feature ensures that your footage stays buttery smooth, even in the most intense situations. Say goodbye to shaky shots and hello to professional quality videos. Now, let's talk about versatility. The HERO12 Black isn't just for capturing adrenaline-fueled adventures. It also doubles as a webcam and offers live streaming capabilities, perfect for vlogging or sharing your experiences in real time with friends and followers. Battery life is always a concern with action cameras, but GoPro has made significant improvements in this department. With 2x longer continuous recording compared to its predecessor, you can capture more of the action without constantly worrying about recharging. So, is the GoPro HERO12 Black worth the investment? Absolutely. With its unparalleled image quality, advanced stabilization, and rugged durability, it's the ultimate companion for adventurers and content creators alike. Whether you're skiing down mountains or exploring underwater caves, the HERO12 Black is ready to capture every moment. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy filming!